Hello everyone, and welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to stop spam calls on your iPhone so you can reduce unwanted calls and keep your phone free from interruptions. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. From there, find and tap on Phone. Now, scroll down through the phone settings until you find the Silence Unknown Callers option. Tap on it. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Inside this section, turn on Silence Unknown Callers. Once enabled, calls from numbers that are not in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, or Siri suggestions will be silenced and sent to voicemail. You'll still be able to see them in your recent calls list. Next, go back to the previous screen and scroll down to the call filtering section. Here, you will see options such as Unknown Callers. Turn on the filtering options available on your device. This helps organize suspicious or unknown calls into separate categories, making them easier to manage. Now, if you want to review these calls later, open the phone app on your iPhone. In the top right corner, tap on the three lines icon. This will open the Call Categories menu. Here, you may see categories such as All Calls, Missed Calls, Unknown Callers, and other filtered call sections depending on your settings and carrier support. Tap on Unknown Callers to view calls that were filtered or silenced. This allows you to check whether any important calls were mistakenly categorized as unknown. Using both Silence Unknown Callers and call filtering together can help reduce spam calls while still allowing you to review them whenever needed. That's it. You have successfully learned how to stop spam calls on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.